Crazy, that's how it goes. Millions of people living as fools. Ooh, maybe it's not too late to learn how to love and forget how to hate. Mental wounds, not screaming, who and what's to blame? I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I listen to preachers, I listen to fools. I watch all the dropouts who make their own rules. One person condition the rule and control. The media sells it and we live the role. Mental wounds not healing, life's a bitter shame. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I know you think there's something wrong with me. You got to listen to my words. As in the Cold War, that's what we become. In any trouble, I'm mentally numb. Ooh, crazy, I just cannot bear. I'm living with something that just isn't fair. Mental wounds not healing, driving me insane. I'm going on the rails on a crazy train. Sending out an SOS, sending out an SOS, sending out an SOS.